What's up, guys? So today I'm going to test this thermal gloves. I'm wondering if I can make it for FPV almost winter time. This I got it from Temu, about $9. It rating for 5 volts. It comes with power cables, USB power cable. Today I'm going to check if this really work with my infrared P2 thermal camera. So let's see how it goes. Let's see, it's starting at, let's see, 70 degree in here. It's not that cold, but let's see. It says that green is low level, right? Lowering. Blue is medium, and the hottest is red. Okay, let's try. Just jump to red then. Now I'm at the green level. We try to pull. This is off. Okay, this is the red one. Okay, we are on the maximum level. See this. It's been about 1 minute. $72. 1 minute. Oh yeah, guys, this is pretty hot now. It's been running about 10 minutes. Let me check here. It's not that hot here, but when I put my hand inside of it, it's really warm. It's really warm inside. So yeah, this will be. Yeah, I believe this will be great for winter time. Let me see. It's getting pretty hot now. It's 7. Oh, what? 20 or something. Okay, it's getting warm. Check the other side. Oh, I think this is good because this actually heat up the whole entire hand, not just palm area, but this actually heat up the finger. It's interesting. It's about 5 minutes running, power on, and as you can see, let me check. The finger is about 93. Between around 90 something, 90 degrees Fahrenheit. And the palm here is about 101. The highest is 101. Check it. It's kind of hard to hold a camera. Let's see. Hey guys, I think this is too. It's only 5. It was from Temu something. See you next time. I'm going to power this up with my using, and yeah, and I'll let you know how it works. Thanks.